Hello, hello. My name is Lambertine. I'm very happy today because I do my life on UK, and I'm very happy. I want to say thank you to my teacher, Afghan, and for they teach me well. I'm very happy today, but I want to say thank you to Excel College because today I supposed to become British. I supposed to become British, and I supposed to do again the B1. I make sure I supposed to pass because here, if you come here, everything is good, is easy, good teaching. But I'm very happy today. I don't know what to say again. Thank you very much, my teacher.